Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make design tools like Figma a breeze to master. Today's quick tutorial is all about something fundamental but super important, how to change the font size in Figma. If you're new to design or just getting started with Figma, adjusting text size is one of those essential skills that's going to help your work look clean, readable, and professional. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it and why paying attention to font size can really transform your layouts. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open up Figma. If you haven't already logged in or created a new file, just do that now. Don't worry if you're still getting used to where everything is on the screen. Figma's interface becomes like second nature after a little practice. Now let's add some text. Go over to the toolbar and select the text tool. It looks like a little T. Click anywhere on your canvas and start typing. For this example, I'm just going to type the word world. You can, of course, type anything you like. Maybe you want a fun greeting, a headline, or your project name. The important thing is that we have some text to work with. Once you've got your text on the canvas, make sure it's selected. You can do this by simply clicking on the word. If you've clicked off by accident, just click back on your text to highlight it. Selecting it tells Figma what you want to edit. It's kind of like telling a waiter what dish you'd like to modify on your order. Now, take a look over at the right-hand side of your Figma screen. You'll see a panel packed with design options. This is where all the text styling magic happens, and it's where we'll find our font size controls. Under the section labeled Typography, right next to the font family and where it says something like Regular, you'll spot a little box with a number in it. Sometimes it might say 16 or 24 by default. That's the current font size. Click on that number and you'll be able to type in a new size, like 36, or use the up and down arrows to adjust it gradually. Enter whatever size you want, and you'll see your text change in real time on the canvas. Maybe you want your heading nice and bold at 48 points, or some small fine print at 12 points. The choice is yours. Font size isn't just a decorative choice, it makes a huge difference in how people read and understand your design, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your project. And that's basically it. You've changed your font size in Figma. See, super straightforward, but don't worry if you need to adjust it again. You can always come back to that typography panel and tweak it as much as you like. Sometimes you'll need to make the text bigger to catch people's attention or smaller so it fits neatly into your design. Play around and trust your eye. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Figma feature you want to learn about. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, beginner-friendly design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.